to see the preparation of Brinjal Rasavangi. So these are the items that we need. The first few are the ones which we need to grind to a paste, and the second set is for that gravy. It'll be good to have all of this handy so that the preparation can be done. Cut and slice the brinjal lengthwise and soak them in water. These are the ingredients needed for grinding to make a paste. Take some tamarind extract. Take some oil, add all the ingredients that we need to grind and roast them well in medium heat and wait for it to turn to golden brown color. Then you can add some coconut. Add the shredded coconut. You can use either frozen or fresh coconut, and roast this together for some time and let this cool before grinding. First make it into a nice powder and then add water while grinding. And then in the pan, take some oil, do some tempering with mustard seeds and urad dal. Add curry leaves if you have. It's good to use sesame oil for this recipe. Now add all the brinjals that you have cut. Mix it well and add the turmeric powder and salt. If you have, please add asafoetida as well. And let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, grind all the ingredients to a nice paste. Once the brinjal is cooked well, you can add the paste to this. And mix well. You can add some water if you would. To get a thin consistency, you can add water. Mix well and let this boil for 5 minutes. Now you can add the tamarind extract. And then add half a cup of the cooked tur dal and mix everything well and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. The best consistency is to be like a thicker paste, which you can mix with rice, or you can have it as a side dish with rice. And now it's ready to serve.